Well, hello there, fabulous people. Happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm making this very refreshing tequila sunrise cocktail. Well, the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, so why not have a fabulous cocktail today? Well, if you're new to my channel, please remember to click the notification bell, like, share, and do subscribe. Now I'll quickly introduce you to the very few ingredients we will need for this cocktail. Tequila, orange liquor, we'll also need grenadine, orange juice, and as much crushed ice as you possibly can get. You'll need a cocktail shaker, which should normally come with a measuring cup. So let's begin by adding all of the crushed ice straight into the shaker. Then we'll add 2 ounces of tequila, one ounce of orange liqueur, and finally I will add 8 ounces of orange juice. Well, you may prefer to use some freshly squeezed orange juice for this cocktail. It would work just perfectly fine as well. Now I'll mix it all together by giving this a very good shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. I'll strain this into a cocktail glass. I'll pour it all the way until it just about touches the tip. Now to make the sunrise, I will add half an ounce of grenadine. I'll pour it around in a circular motion and it will give it that wonderful effect of the sun rising. Garnish with a slice of orange and of course a couple of cherries. And there you have it, your beautiful tequila sunrise cocktail. If you're a cocktail lover like I am, this is pure summer bliss. Well, do let me know in the comment section below if you did try to make this cocktail at home by yourself.